guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Vibhuti.
Hi, this is Mitansha again.
In this video, we'll be getting ready for Christmas. So guys, the first step is moisturizer, and we are using the Biotique Nectar Moisturizer. So guys, the next step is concealer, and then we'll go on with the foundation. So for the darker areas, we'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange Corrector. And for the other marks on our face, we'll be using the yellow corrector, LA Girl Pro Conceal again. So yeah. Probably. I mean, I have to.
Oh my god.
This is like so funny right now.
I know, right?
Okay. So now I'm going in with the yellow one.
And I'm going with the orange one. This is not.
This is
It refuses to come out.
ये
अब ज़्यादा नहीं है.
जो नहीं.
All right.
Plus, whenever like we have to go out, girls always get pimples.
Bro, don't even ask. Like, I have two right now, and they suck.
I have one right now, like hair and
Because
it's,
like I don't
like,
used to get
irritating.
pimples. You still do. I don't.
Huh. Because like I am the one who has oily skin and she has like
A dry
dry
one?
skin.
And it sucks.
Next, I'm going to blend in this concealer first, or maybe I'll just put in the foundation. I've not blended the concealer yet, and I'm going to go in with this Dove one foundation. So yeah.
And I am going with the Dermacolor foundation. So, wait.
Now I'm going to blend all this because I look stupid.
You look like a clown. Lama. Oof, yeah.
So guys, the next thing we are going to use is the foundation on our neck because it
will
shows
look
that I
like-
forgot it.
This is tan, and this is bleached.
Fair.
Thousands of views, I said.
The next step we are gonna do is eyeshadow, and we both have like screenshotted some of our references for how we're going to do our makeup. I hope you guys can see
Yeah,
this now.
it's visible now.
And for me, I somewhat like decided to do either
She
of
has
these
too many options.
because like my outfit is beige and black, and her
And mine
outfit
is
is like
gingerbread 101. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyes now.
yeah. So first step is that we are going to put tape on our eye sides. I don't know,
Oof, yeah.
like just.
What has she done with the kajal? Like, should I apply beige or white or black or what?
I don't know. We'll see. Probably like white.
White?
Hmm.
Okay, we'll apply white.
ये weak कौन है?
Which blush should I use? Okay, I will use this for blending, like for my crease thing, and then I will use these for my eyelids. Okay.
So guys, I'm done with like the tape and I look funny. So guys, for my eyeshadows, I am going to go in with this. This is like some, off-white shade. Then this golden one and this pink one as well.
And I will go firstly with this one, and I'll be like blending it on my crease. Then I'll be going with pink and brown mix, and then I'll be blending my liner. Foxy
Yeah.
liner.
Yeah. I'll also be using like 1 or 2 shades from that palette. I literally forgot what to say. Brush
Always
palette.
Which one?
Eyeshadow. The hell? We like crop it peach mein se thoda. Too much bakwas we are doing. So for the base I am using the beige one.
Mudhi, you're so funny. Okay, sorry, shoot.
She's like, okay, sorry, shoot it. I didn't even do anything. This is somewhat like, this is like. So for the next, for like the inner corners, I'm going to use this gold bronze shade. Next, I'll be needing like that palette. I'm actually like happy we have some bronze palette stuff.
This is nudes, Maybelline.
Yeah, nudes. So from this palette, I'll be going in with this shade, then this one.
Thanks.
Welcome. Guard Stop laughing. Laughing.
Oh my god, I remember it so well.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
So guys, now somewhat like my base is done. This is what it looks like. And for the side, I'm going to go in with like a much darker shade. Probably like this black one.
Same. Like
Yeah.
I'll go with that for my liner thing.
For like somewhat like foxy eyes. I don't know.
Actually, much. Sorry, that was weird. Okay, anyway.
I guess this is showing.
Like this. I don't even know what I will do. You have to either crop this or fast forward. You have to speed up. Crop, okay.
So yeah, this is like my final look. If you guys can actually see, yeah. So yeah, this looks like too much. So I'll probably like blend this now. I mean, I have to. Yeah, this got darker than I expected, but never mind. Now for the last step in the eyes, I'm going to go in for the inner corners with this copperish shade. I have like options between like a golden one and a copper one, but I guess like we can go in with the copper one. Like that's
And I
better.
will go with this one. You see that? Oof.
So yeah, I am going in with this copper one for the inner corners. last time I applied eyeshadow on like inner corners, I literally got it in my eye and it hurt.
Lol.
Like that always happens, I guess. I don't know. So now that we're done with the eyes, you done?
No, not really. I'm confused between beige and white
हाँ,
kajal.
so वो we'll do it after ना. First
Why?
I'm gonna remove. I guess I'm
But it's
happy with.
satisfying anyway.
Yeah.
Same.
It looks
I'm kinda,
pretty.
like, happy.
So now we are going to go in with kajal first. So like we have options between the white one and the beige one. I'm going to go in with the beige one because I don't know.
Same actually.
Beige?
Yeah.
You can go in with the white one. It will look good.
Suit me?
Hmm.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm actually applying kajal on camera. First time you're applying kajal actually. No? No? Okay. See? Bro, you. I'm sorry. Yeah, see? This one. Suits you a lot, suits you.
अच्छा लग रहा है. We have like never. We have always like put in black kajal and not like you
Like
know.
we usually don't put kajal, but like when we do, we put the black one. And today it's different. So yeah.
Okay, so now we're done with the kajal as well. My
Do not move me.
eye is still watery
Same.
because kajal.
Like kajal changes your look. Be it white, beige or black.
For
Something
real.
which I very strongly believe in.
Okay, so the next step is mascara and
favorite.
eyelash curler. So first we are going to curl our eyelashes and then we are going to put on mascara. This eyelash curler sometimes like just scares me. नहीं,
Everything scares you.
पहले it like really used to like scare me and I used to like not curl my eyelashes properly.
You see how dumb she is?
Don't scared. Not down.
So now I'm going to go in with the Lash Sensational by Maybelline for the
Only if you could stop moving me.
mascara. Why do my lashes like look all stuck together, man? This looks weird, no?
I'll send it over.
I'm kind of happy with my makeup. I like mine like a lot happier because this is not what I expected to get out of all the expected looks. Okay.
Screenshotted looks.
Okay, be quick now.
2 seconds.
I'm kind of obsessed with my look now. Already.
Don't move.
Sorry.
These lashes kind of like stuck together. But so guys, for the next step we are doing the blush. Plus I love this brush.
Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Like even when you don't apply
Blush in.
like if
Like just, play with it on the face. Amazing. So amazing.
She is irritating. You know, just for like a pink face.
are you done?
Yeah.
No, he didn't. He did.
Completely. So that it doesn't, you know, look like a patch.
Like the line should not be visible basically.
The final part, that is the lipstick. Maybe we'll go in with like this shade. So guys, these are our final look. Brings us to the end of this video. We really hope you enjoyed and we'll see you next time. Bye.